of those minors involved?
Yes, ma'am. For the information, ma'am, of this committee, first, we have conducted the rescue operation of 7 high school students. This is on the preemption of violence school in Calamba, Laguna. So that was on January 13 of this year. The information came from our foreign counterpart and the ATFG. So they became aware concerning this Facebook communication by one user.
Colonel, sino po yung, and before I pose my interjecting question,
Yes.
the Chair would just like to acknowledge your colleagues, the presence of Senator Amy Marcos. Salamat, Sen.
ma'am.
Amy, for joining the hearing. After this question to the Colonel, I'll ask if you have any opening statement. Salamat po. Yes, Colonel, please proceed. Yung binanggit nyo pong may nag-report sa inyo, sino po ba yung nag-report? Kasi balita po namin, foreign law enforcement pa ito.
Yes, ma'am, foreign law enforcement. Since we are member, the PNP-ACG is member of the ATFG, Anti-Terrorism Fusion Group. So on January 13 this year, ma'am, we were informed by this foreign law enforcement agency through our Anti-Terrorism Fusion Group concerning Facebook communication by the user RAH. So
Excuse me again, Colonel. Sorry, ang Facebook po ba, Comsec, andito sa hearing natin?
Facebook.
Okay. Para on the record, Comsec.
Facebook Messenger.
It
Madam Chair, they're
originated
not-
from Roblox, ma'am.
Yes, Madam Chair, they're not represented.
But the committee invited Facebook to be a resource person, correct? So why are they not present?
Madam Chair, we invited Facebook, but they did not reply to our letter.
Oh my, didn't even reply. I thought at the very least they would have a reason or an acceptable excuse. All right, that's well noted by the chair. I hope it won't require the chair subpoenaing Facebook just to attend a hearing where their platform is one of those that we would like to draw in to regulation. Because as the Colonel just mentioned, and as the committee knows, these disturbing incidents on Roblox also occurred, no, in a wider circle on Facebook Meta. So please proceed, Colonel.
So, nakuha tong information, ma'am, through our Facebook messages. So, the messages reference on past mass attacks and discuss using a fire extinguisher for a flash blinding effect, IEDs, or the improvised explosive devices, and Molotov cocktails. So, it also stated desire to carry out a school shooting locally and an intent to die by suicide. So ito yung mga information nakuha natin sa Facebook messages na to. Then the message also asserted the family possession of firearms is already inquired at a firing range on how to practice gun shooting. Then some information mentioned plans to wear the natural selection or the Hitler shirts, yung sa Nazis. Then post a final YouTube message and write a manifesto. So ito yung ginawa nung ating na-rescue, ma'am. Then they plan to conduct a mass shooting on supposed to be February 16, 2026 during the foundation week along with these 6 friends. So the intervention was made by PNP-ACG. So nagkontain ng rescue operation with these 7 presently lang, ma'am, together with the DSWD of LGUs and including also the local police. And for the record, ma'am, also for the information of this committee, we have conducted already 5 rescue operations. So aside from this Calamba, may pa tayong other 5 rescue operations. This involved rescue of 12 minors. And the areas include Marikina, Las Piñas, Negros Occidental, and Pampanga. And currently, we have 7 cases now ongoing for the conduct of this rescue. So for the information of this committee. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Colonel Desiderio. Sobrang nakakabahala po. Talagang 180 degrees away from gaming, no? Itong mga planong gumamit ng mga sandata, gumawa ng karahasan laban sa mga kapwa estudyante at hanggang sa sarili, the use of firearms, yung mga na-recover ng PNP na mga t-shirts, with those messages, with those teams, yun pong 5 operasyon pa dun sa nakarescue ng 12 minors sa Metro Manila, Luzon at Visayas, nagbunga ng 7 cases. Ito po ba ay panay sa Roblox din, at least nagsimula yung mga pag-uusap ng mga minors na yon?
Yes, ma'am. As per study ng ating unit in the ICG, so it all started in Roblox.
So baka it's just a matter of time. I hope not na meron pa kayong kailanganing i-rescue pati sa Mindanao. Kasi parang kumakalat, no, based on these previous operations. Sino po yung grupo na kumausap sa mga bata, at least dun sa kaso sa Laguna? Terrorist group ba to? Foreign group ba ito? Ano kaya yung end game nila?
Actually, ma'am, it will goes back doon sa tinatawag nating nihilistic violent extremism or the NBE. So most of the groomer nag-groom sa mga bata natin, ma'am, or sa mga children or minors, they are from abroad. Also, only one listed lang namin sa aming data is only one, yung sa Filipino, but the victim is abroad naman, so baliktad. And the yung ating nihilistic violent extremism, ma'am, we have this yung extremism where yung intent, ma'am, no, the individuals or group commit or advocate violence because they believe life, society, or human existence has no value or meaning. So may mga group dito, ma'am, suspected yung information na pinoprovide sa atin ng ating foreign law enforcement agency counterpart. So yung victim ang tinuturo sa atin dito, ma'am. Since once na nakuha natin information, so we provide information report sa ating foreign counterpart, law enforcement agency. So sila na yung nagpapalab doon sa areas of concern. And that's why yung ating ACG, ma'am, the PNP, so we have now a cyber patroller, mostly dito sa ating mga gaming apps, particularly sa Roblox nga. So nagpapatrolling tayo doon. And we had also meeting with Roblox recently. Ilang, ma'am.
Yung sinabi nyo, Colonel, na paniniwala nila na life has no value. Balita nga po namin, bukod dun sa natural selection t-shirts, may na-recover din kayong t-shirts na ang nakalagay ay no